stuff for you. Stop standing in line and taking the pills. Step out of the line and do it yourself. Take your health into your own hands. Take your community into your hands. Take your life and your neighbor's life into your hands. You know, so that's what this was, and that's why I didn't need to put this out here. I got plenty of room to plan in there. I wanted to show people you can do this. Period. You know, it's not up to people. Your health is your responsibility. Your neighborhood is your responsibility, and with that, people have now contacted me around the world. They I've passed by this lot for the last 5 years. It's down the street from my house. Wondering, why don't somebody do something? Once I saw your tag, it's like, damn, I'm the person I'm supposed to do something. So it's like people need to be inspired to stop texting and shit, Facebook, and get back. You know, I got 40-year-olds we deal with. They don't know how to use a shovel. How the fuck you not know how to use a shovel? Really? You know, so we got to change that. You know, so my thing is, with this technology, you have these kids that they're malnourished and they don't even know it. They don't know that they're eating garbage. They have no idea that this is trash, that they're on food. So
your neighbor's bringing
My promise.
this is the woman that stole my watermelon.
Got you some back.
My damn watermelon. Like, ooh. And then comes back and tell me how good it is.
It was hidden, and I said,
yeah, exactly. Say that again. No, say that again.
It was hidden.
Yeah, thank you.
And I was looking for a tomato, and I said, well, what is this under this?
This is better than a tomato.
Yeah, and it was so heavy.
And then I left you one. I'm like, what do you mean you left me one? It's a little teeny one that's going to never grow.